For this video, I am going to teach you how to link tasks in ClickUp. So if you don't know what linking tasks in ClickUp means, this allows you to show relationships between tasks, whether they are dependent on each other, related in content, or a part of larger projects. So this helps you keep track of how tasks are interconnected. So what you need to do first is to simply go to the app.clickup.com and just log in into your account or using your credentials. And you can also sign up if you don't have an account yet, and all the necessary informations or links rather are available in the description down below, so you can just check that in there. So now once you have logged into your account from your homepage, you need to go to the space and on the list where you want to link a tasks. So under your list right here, you have your different tasks. So I have my sample tasks right here. So then what you need to do here is to click onto the task where you want to attach another task. So for example, I have this task that is named as research topic. So what I need to do is to hover over the that specific task and then click onto the three dots icon situated on the right side part of it. So now once you have done that, what you need to do is to click onto the dependencies option that you have there. So click onto it. And then once you have done that, this section will appear on your screen. So then you have three different options for the dependencies. So you have waiting on, blocking, and the tasks. So for the first option, you need or you will use this if the tasks that must be completed before this task, and also tasks for this second option, these are the tasks that can start until this task is complete. And for this tutorial, we are going with these basic regular task right here, which will or these are the tasks that relate to each other but aren't actually dependent on each other. So what you need to do is to click onto this link task right here, and then all of your available tasks will show on the bottom part of it. So then what you need to do is to simply select the task that you want to attach right here. So for example, I am going with this video for creation right here, and also video 5. So now once you have done that, it will be automatically be attached to the specific task that you have selected. And if you want to remove that attachment, what you need to do is to hover that task and click onto this X icon right here, and then you're good to go. So that's basically it. That is the step-by-step process, or that is all that you need to do for it to be able to link a task here in ClickUp. So just need to click the done button, and then you're now good to go. So that's much it. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.